This is what makes FTL a greatest of all time game, right? We're gonna go shieldless. We are going without any protection. No protection, okay? We're gonna power up the pike beam, okay? We're gonna power up the pike beam, okay? Trust me. Do you guys trust me? You guys trust me to go in raw? Do you trust me? I hope you trust me, besties. I'm gonna show you how it's done. We pause. We take power out. We take reactor power out of oxygen. We put it into the cloaking. And then we dodge. Do not hit the weapons. I beg you. Do not hit the weapons. Looks like a engine. We're good. Okay. We're good. Woo. Beauty. Okay. No. Yes. Love it. That's why you always go and run. Okay, never mind. I pushed it too far. No. Ignore me.